Alright, so now the tub is sitting back down there, and this little piece goes on. I just wanted to show you that now this tub, if you can see that, with one hand I can lift it up and down. See, it just lifts right off of there. Before it was stuck, I could not pull that thing off. Like in the previous video you saw, I had to put a hydraulic jack with a board across here, and you'll see those bushings when I got the tub out had big scratch marks in the bushings where the rust and grit had slid on the shaft between the bushing and left some gouge marks. Okay, but I took some sandpaper, cleaned up those bushings a little bit, cleaned up that shaft, and I got a sanding block and some pieces of sandpaper, and some steel wool works real good too. Just cleaning all that stuff up. So anyway, we got that back on. Now this ring goes back on, and turn it until the holes line up properly. Move that a little bit. Okay, and then I'll put the 6 screws back in.